Well, Ben, Erica, right now, immigration advocates and lawmakers are taking part in a roundtable. They're talking about the recent ICE raids in the area. Among them is the attorney for that 19-year-old Babson College student who now says her family is being targeted.
When he turned his back, this person was chasing after him, and, not in a uniform or anything. He had no idea who it was.
Attorney Todd Pomerleau describes the interaction he says the father of Babson College freshman Ani Lopez Beloza had with immigration agents outside their Texas home over the weekend.
He thought he was getting kidnapped, and he went into his home to see what the hell was going on. And then they looked out the back window because they heard noise, and somebody was trying to like break into the backyard of their house.
He says those agents didn't have a warrant.
These are people, again, that are part of a lawful immigration process, having their rights trampled upon.
Pomerleau is representing the family's oldest daughter, Ani, who was deported to her native Honduras while trying to board a flight to surprise her family for Thanksgiving. ICE says she was in the country illegally and had been ordered to leave years ago when she was a child.
She gets deported and taken away from her opportunity to seek her education, separated from her sisters, separated from her mom and dad. She now learns that they're trying to hunt her parents down and violate their rights too.
Pomerleau says the government violated a federal judge's order saying not to be removed while her case moved forward.
The government is acknowledging that a judge told them not to do this, but saying it did it anyway because it thought the judge didn't have power to do this.
Now, I have reached out to ICE and DHS about Ani's case and the allegations that her family is being targeted. I haven't heard back from either tonight. Live in Alston, Emily Maha, WCVB News Center 5.